Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with guys. Some of Amafeng Mayeni are turning their backs on Umayeni, but he bakatele bona Umayeni. Umayeni always have something to say about labafazi abalandelayo. And ngokubona kwami umayeni is just hurt, like unimele ngaphakathi. Like after all lezi zinto lezi azenzile yena noMusa kudala usazibuyisa namaye, but akazi ukuthi azibuyise ngendlela yiphi. So izolo ubuzile ukuthi uSamngekhwela owakuphi. uMusa washo wathi no man, uSamngekhwela owakwaMadlala. Wathi why that certain place? Wathi uMusa ufuna umuntu azokhomba khona ukuthi yazini la bakhuliswe umntwana bo kahle, blah 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 and all. And this is what she had to say.
Untanga wakho uphume ekhehleni leli uzodlala udlala lo mfana buza thina sibadala singitshela.
And after that she said uSamge uzawuhlala because amakhabethe wakhe ayawa, itofu zakhe ziyawa and all. And mind you, zonke lezi zinto lezi zazenziwa uMakhumalo allegedly. Kuthiwa uMakhumalo is handling everything financially kulela khaya lelana, insurance, cars, and like makuzoba nento encane nje kubhekwa uMakhumalo. And now she came kumusa wathi kumusa uSamge uzahlala because mina kwami izinto ziyawa njengoba wena umsavela imali eyelobola. Guys, as much as bashade noMusa, I don't think uMusa is responsible for everything kubafazi bakhe. If ever he said something good like yekelani mhlambe imisebenzi, I'll take care of you, yeah, maybe that lapho uzoba responsible. But if ever uMakhumalo uyakwazi ukusiza here and there, uMangabe uyasebenza, and then the others ba expect ukuthi uMusa should serve them like they are gods, then they are totally wrong. They are totally wrong. Now guys, anyeke bahlale bangabi nemali here and there. Anyeke uthi kwakho umfazi, especially uma umfazi, uthi kwakho makuwa one lana and then maqeda expect ukuthi yazini nginendoda, and indoda yakhona ihandla yonke into, inikeza imali grocery every month, iyenza yonke into, and then umfazi lo munye unibhadalela ama-insurance. Wena le mali onayo uyenzani? Can't you see ukuthi ikhabethe lawo? Can't you see ukuthi isitofu siyawo? I just hope Umayeni finds healing. Ayenze njengoMangwabe. uMangwabe uyambona ukuthi la akasekho. It's either asekazophuma because naku-interview yayizolo nje bombona ukuthi lo akasekho la. It's either uyaphuma ohlukana naye or uyahlala ubekezelela yonke lento uMusa ayenzayo. Umayeni must choose one thing. Like kumele a-choose into eyi-one ukuthi uyaphuma kuMusa abuyele kibo noma bakumele kukhulunywe ukuthi le yangane uThobile, le yangane Samge, like into azophila ngayo manje sokuzoba ayikulethi iy'nkinga after inkinga. Yabo Macele sekaphumile emotionally, uphumile kuMusa, noma yena akazenzele kanjalo. Babe bahlele emshadweni, sibahlelela ukukhulisela abantwana babo noMusa nje iphelele lapho indaba yabo. Guys, thank you for watching. What are your thoughts on this?